What it do, gang? It's your boy Money Rich back with another video. I got my little chef bandana on. We finna cook some hood food. You know what I'm saying? Straight from the mud. You know what I'm saying? No, but man, we just gonna cook. Man, we gonna cook a hood classic, man. I'm gonna start another channel called Hood Classics. Money Rich Hood Classics. You know what I'm saying? Only way you gonna know any of these recipes unless you've been through it. That's straight up. You can't make this up. So I don't know, man. Let me show y'all the ingredients. These are the ingredients. Man, you got to have the ramen noodles, chicken flavor. You know what I'm saying? Got the seasoning, salt, black pepper. You can use any kind of hot sauce, but I like Louisiana hot. You need 2 cups of water, but you know we eyeball that shit. We really don't measure shit out. And some people use hot dogs, but I don't do the hot dog thing. You know what I'm saying? But my brother do. So yeah. But black pepper, hot sauce, seasoning salt, and chicken flavored ramen noodles. Ramen, who gives a fuck? Noodles. Alright? Next, let's head to the stove. Okay, we're gonna start from the basic because some of y'all ain't that smart. First, we're gonna add the water. Two cups. Then we know we're gonna wait. Damn, let my camera focus. See, there's some hood shit. See, hold on. Let me come right back. Okay, like I was saying, you get your water. You wait for it to come to a boil. Then we're gonna add the ramen noodles to the pot. See you back in a little bit. Man, you know what? We're gonna go ahead and add the hot dogs anyway, man. Fuck it. We're gonna do it the hood way. So, we got our hot dogs, right? So put it in the pot. And then we're gonna let it boil. Let it get a little flavor of the hot dogs, you know, the chicken, the beef, and all the other good stuff that goes into the hot dog. And then we're gonna go ahead and add the noodles as we said. So I will be back shortly. As soon as the water start boiling, holla at your boy, Money Rich, the real Swervo Hood Kitchen. Alright, as you can see, we got everything going. You know what I'm saying? Give it a little stir. Give it a little stir. Man, you know, let that mix in a little bit. You know, the hot dogs and the water. Add the chicken packet for the ramen noodles. So we added that. Stir it a little bit. You know, some people like to add the noodles in first and all that. And nah, man. Man, it's strictly for the hood. So this is how we do it right there. Then we add the noodles. We let that sit in the pot for about 2 to 3 minutes. I say about 3 minutes, maybe 4, maybe 5. I don't know. Until the noodles start loosening up, and then we'll be right back. Man, look at that there, man. I wish y'all can smell it. Like for real, for real. This right here. Man, this is what it's all about, man. It bring back memories. Then we have some pepper. Make sure we had that pepper going. You know what I'm saying? Give it a light stir. Then we get a little seasoning salt. Just a little bit. See that there? Just a little bit, not too much. Nice there. Then we add the key ingredient, the secret sauce, the hot sauce. Just a little bit, not too much. You know what I'm saying? Look at that there, boy. That's what I'm talking about. You don't know nothing about that. Man, look what this heat did to my spoon, man. It messed my spoon up, man. Now I gotta go to the dollar store, give me another spoon, man. It's messed up, bro. But anyway, relax a little stir, and then we good to go. I'll be right back to Money Rich Hood Kitchen. We finna plate up and give it a taste and let y'all see how it look. Yeah, boy. Man, I think I outdid myself with this, y'all, man. Like, for real, for real. On some real. I'm finna smash, man. This take me back to the good old days. Y'all don't understand. But, here we go. Man, look at that there, man. Tell me that don't look good. You don't dare you tell me I'm a lie, boy. That right there, boy. That's the Roman noodles. From the hood. Money Rich way. So, yeah, man, I'm finna get up out of here, man. So, smash real quick. But, hold on. Oh, yeah. Y'all don't know. This shit fire. But anyway, I say that to say this. Holla at your boy, Money Rich the Real Swervo, man. And I'm out. Peace. Y'all getting bonus footage. Before I go, look at this big dumbass burrito. Look, this is my hand. Big dumbass burrito. And I got big ass hands, so man, you get a big motherfucking burrito for $15. All steak. Rice, steak, whatever. Refried beans, onion, cilantro. Y'all know what it is, but man, I just had to show y'all this, man. This motherfucker is huge. Godly. But anyway, this is your boy Money Rich, the real Swervo, and I'm out.